Hi, it's Dan here from Thomas Road Support. I just want to take you through setting up the new theme Foundry for WordPress. As you can see, we've just started off with a basic fresh WordPress install, just running a default theme. I'm going to go ahead and actually install the zip file for the theme itself. So you simply head to Themes and Add New, and then Upload, and then just select the zip file from your computer and just upload it and install it like you would any other WordPress theme. Obviously, depending on the speed of your connection, this can take a few moments, but that's all installed, and we'll just activate it now. So if we take a quick look at the front end of the site and see what's changed, so we can see already we've got certainly a very different style, but nothing like the demo. So we need to go through the next few steps of importing the content and setting it all up. So back in the admin area, you'll see we've got a notice here asking us to install some plugins. The couple that are required would be the framework, which gives you all the custom post types, and the Visual Composer plugin, which is what we use as a page builder. And then we've got a couple of recommended plugins for forms and setting up a shop. And we'll go ahead and install all these now. The script we use actually allows you to install them in bulk, so you can simply click here and highlight them all, and from the drop down menu just hit install. What it does, it goes through each plugin one by one and will install it and activate it for you, and once it's all done, it'll let you know and just take you back to the dashboard. So we can see here it's just going through, it's installed the framework. Next up would be Visual Composer, and then probably the contact form. Oh no. There we go. So the contact form plugin is installing, and the last one will be WooCommerce. As you can see, it does give you feedback, so as each plugin is installed, you will know if there are any problems. There shouldn't be at this point, however. This is all pretty straightforward. Okay, so the plugins have all installed. As you can see, it says here that everything's been successful, so we'll head back to the dashboard and see what's changed. There we go. Straight away we can see these plugins have added loads of new areas where we can add content. We've got WooCommerce, Visual Composer settings, all of it's just there, ready to go. But we're still not quite ready like the demo, because as you see on the front end, nothing's really changed. But next up we need to actually import the demo content, which is something we've made very, very simple for you. So I'll just clear these notices. Okay, so we've imported the we've installed all the plugins. We've got the theme ready. We're just going to run the importer now, which is handled in the theme options. To get there, head to Appearance and Customize. Within the theme options page here, you'll see at the very top would be the demo data section we've added, and quite simply there's a little bit of blurb here just telling you that the images that are provided won't be like you see in the demo. For legal reasons, we're not able to distribute them, and the process itself can take a little bit of time, again depending on your server. I'll show you the process now, but I will pause it because it can take anywhere from a few minutes to half an hour, depending on the speed of your connection. We'll hit the button here, and we'll see we've got a little notice here making sure that we've actually installed all the plugins, which we have. If you are following along with this video and you have reached this point and you haven't installed the plugins, then please pause the video, skip back, install them, and then carry on. We've done all this, so I'm going to hit OK and get the process going, and I'll pause the video while it's working its way through. Okay, that's all done. We've got a little message here saying that we're all ready. We'll just close that and head back to the dashboard. Okay, so we're back in the dash. We'll just take a look at the front end of the site and see what's changed. There we go. We can see we've got a bit more content there now. Obviously it's still not looking very much like the demo, but we'll change that now. So we'll head back into the dashboard and we'll set up the home page to begin with. Just go to Settings and Reading. And at the moment it's showing the latest blog post, which we don't want, so we'll change that to a static page, and we will use the home pages that we provide. Let's go for layout 2, and we'll just use the blog as well. and we'll hit save and take another look, and there we go. We can see immediately it's made a massive improvement. It's looking just like the demo. Obviously, you've got a lot more content and things there as well. You may notice there are things still missing, like the menu. We also take care of this for you with the demo data. To apply this, we'll just go to the menu section, which is Appearance and Menus. And under Manage Locations, we can set the menus up with ease. So we'll just choose the standard navigation and off screen there. One more look. And there we go. We've got the menu and everything there too. One last thing, just as a nice setting, might even want to actually select your permalinks to be a bit more SEO friendly. Sometimes the default installation actually gives you quite an untidy link which you don't want, so be sure to head to Permalinks and make sure post name is selected and hit save, and that will just tidy up the links that you see, the URLs, just to be a bit more friendly as well. Okay, so that's Foundry setup. Obviously, if there are any problems in the process, just come and see us over at support. I'll be happy to help. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.